Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes, and today we are in the amazing 2020 model of the Beacon 39 FBB. It's made by Van Lee, which is a division of Tiffin. I'm so happy to be cooking in it today. We are making baked Santa Fe chicken on this episode. Let's get started. I have 1 cup of black beans that have been rinsed and drained. And I'm adding to it 1 cup of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, rinsed and drained. 1 cup of corn kernels, and you can use frozen like I'm using today, or you can use canned, doesn't really matter. Whatever your heart desires. I'm also adding 1 cup of salsa, and you can use mild or medium or even hot, just depends on your taste buds. I think mine's mild today. And I'm just going to mix all that up. Just give it a quick stir until everything comes together. I love doing this. Spraying the pan with cooking spray. It's just a half-size aluminum sheet pan. Don't want anything sticking. Pour all your vegetable mixture right down into the pan. And I like to kind of spread it out a little bit. Now, our chicken. I've got 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm going to sprinkle each breast with a little bit of taco seasoning. Normally, I would say salt and pepper to taste, but the taco seasoning already has all the seasoning in it that we need, so I think it's just fine, just like it is. We're going to place our chicken breast right on top of the vegetables. Need to wash my hands since I've been handling raw chicken. You always want to make sure and keep your hands really, really clean. Wash them with soap and water after you've touched raw meats. I'm going to cover this with a piece of aluminum foil. Okay, now this is ready to go in the oven at this point. We're putting it in the convection oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. And I actually already have one ready to come out of the oven. Let's take a look. Beautiful. At this point, we just need to add a 1/2 cup of Mexican cheese, just right over the top. Then it's going back into the oven uncovered for another 5 or 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Now, I happen to have one already made. This is gorgeous. Just for garnish at the end, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of green onion. Beautiful green color. A little bit of fresh chopped cilantro, very Mexican. And I love the taste of lime juice, so just a squeeze over the top, and it's ready to eat. In fact, let's try it and see. This looks so beautiful. All those flavors mixed together. Try the Santa Fe chicken in your kitchen, and we'll see you on the next Cooking with Convection.